Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to copy Windows 10 or 11 specifications. So guys, if you want to share your Windows system process, whether you are using PC or laptop, so there is very simple and easy way to copy and paste and share. Just search about and select it about your PC in both Windows 10 or 11. You will see this window. Here you will get all information. So if you want to copy, just click here, copy and paste anyway, like this. So you don't need to type this all information, just copy and paste. That's it. So this is the all information and specifications about your system, like device process, installed RAM, device ID, product ID, and system type. So thanks for watching, and please share, like, and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.